Okay, good morning, dear students. So let's get ready to write the question and answers of chapter 9, A Tiger in the House, class 7 NCERT book. Okay, so let's get ready for writing the question and answers and to get an well explained answers. Okay, so let's see the first questions of comprehension check, page number 64. Question number 1 asking, and we have three options, we have to choose one. Okay, question number 1 asking, grandmother's prophecy was that the tiger, what? Number 1, would prefer Muhammad's bed to sleep in. Number 2, and the cook would disappear together from the house. And number 3, would one day make a meal of Muhammad. So students, the answer was number 3, that the tiger was growing day by day, and her mother was, that grandmother was really afraid that one day the tiger will make the meal of that Muhammad, hai na, the cook. Okay students. Okay, so now we are in question number 2. Question is asking, when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. So the change over him, what was that? We are having three options. Let's see. Number 1, Timothy had grown to his full size. Number 2, Timothy grew more friendly. Number 3, Timothy grew less friendly, in fact more dangerous. So students, you all know the answer is number 3. Okay, Timothy grew less friendly, in fact more dangerous. Okay. Question number 3. Write true or false against each of the following statements. So let's start. Number 1. Timothy and grandmother went to Lucknow. Grandfather went to Lucknow in a special compartment. So we know students, it's a false. Okay, so false. Number 2. The compartment in which the grandfather and Timothy travelled had no other passengers. So it is true. Number 3. Timothy and grandfather travelled in a first class compartment. It is true. Number 4. All passengers in the compartment thought that Timothy was a well defined and well fed and civilized tiger. So also it is false. Okay students. Okay students, so now we are in question number 4. Question number 4 asking, grandfather suggested that Timothy should be put in another cage. The reason was, number 1, the tiger had become very bad tempered. Number 2, a leopard in the next cage would constantly rush at Timothy. Number 3, the cage was too small for a full grown tiger. So we all know students, the answer is 2. Yes? Okay. So now we are in question number 5. It is saying, the tiger was still licking his arm with increasing relish. The phrase in italics suggests that Timothy, number 1, was good natured, number 2, recognized an old friend, and number 4, smelt fresh food. Okay students, so here the answer will be number 4, smelt fresh food. As we all know that the tiger was not that Timothy, actually it was similar to Timothy. Okay, and that was very dangerous. So number 4, here by mistaken I have written number 1. Okay, so here answer is number 4. Students, so now we are in question number 1, page number 65, exercise question answers. Okay, so question number 1, where was the tiger cub hiding when grandfather found him? Answer, the tiger cub was hiding in the roots of a banyan tree in the Tarai jungle near Dehra when grandfather found him. Okay students, so you all remember the story? Yeah, the cub was found in the roots of the banyan tree. Okay. Question number 2, what did Toto do to entertain Timothy? Answer, Toto pulled the tail of Timothy to entertain him. Really funny, right students? He used to pull the tail of Timothy. Okay. Number 2, what did he do when he lost his temper? So the answer is, when Timothy lost his temper, Toto climbed up the curtains. Okay students, he used to climb up the curtains when the cup, Timothy lost his temper. Okay. Question number 3. I became one of the tiger's favorites. Who is I in the statement and why did he think so? So the answer is I stands for the narrator, Ruskin Bond. Okay, students, the narrator of the story, Ruskin Bond. Here I stands for him only. Okay. Now, he thought so because Timothy would come closer to him, roll over on his feet, and pretended to bite his ankles. So, these things Timothy was doing with the narrator. So, the narrator thought that I become the favorite of the tiger. Okay, students? Question number 4. Where was Timothy most comfortable during the day and where was he during the night? So, the answer is during the day, Timothy was most comfortable on the long sofa in the drawing room. Yes, students? Now, at night, during the night, he slept at the cook's quarter. Okay, so these two places are there where Timothy was found. At daytime, in the long sofa in the drawing room, and at a night time, at the quarters of the cook. Okay. Question number 5. What was grandmother's prophecy about the cook? Did it come true? So we'll see both the questions one by one. First we'll see the first question's answers. Okay, it is the grandmother prophesied that since Timothy was growing dangerous, he might consume the cook as a meal. Number 2, the prophecy did not come true because grandfather prevented it by sending him, that Timothy, to the zoo in Lucknow. Okay, students, done? And number 6. What made grandfather decide to transfer Timothy to the zoo? Answer is, when Timothy was about 6 months old, he grew less friendly and more dangerous. So grandfather decided to shift him away to Lucknow Zoo. Okay, students, clear everyone? Like Timothy was like when he came to the home, like in a cub state, that he was very sweet, calm, but as he grown up, we all know that tiger is a carnivorous animal, right? So he become more dangerous and less friendly. That's why grandfather decided to transfer Timothy to the zoo only. Okay. Number 7. Why did grandfather want Timothy to be put in another enclosure? So students, when the grandfather reached the zoo to see the Timothy after 6 months, then he played with Timothy in the zoo, and then he found that Timothy should be put into another enclosure. So the reason is, answer, grandfather wanted Timothy to be put in another cage because the leopard from the cage beside Timothy's kept growling, and this frightened Timothy and made it restless. Okay, students, so it means like grandfather was still caring for Timothy, so that's why because of these reasons grandfather wanted Timothy to be put into another enclosure. Okay, so now we are in the last question. What shocked grandfather in the end? Answer, grandfather was shocked to know from the keeper that Timothy had died 2 months ago from pneumonia and the tiger in the cage was very dangerous. Okay, students, so this was the last question's answers. That when grandfather got to know that the tiger was not his tiger, that was not his Timothy, that was actually very dangerous tiger. Okay, chalo. Okay, dear students, so here we have completed the question and answers of the chapter Tiger in the House. So I hope you all have understood the questions and answers, and in case of any doubts, feel free to write in the comment box and ask. Okay, students, so stay happy and fit. All the very best for your studies. Take care. Bye bye.